I was already recording, but this dumb recording thing decided to stop. So yeah, I know topsy-turvy video probably, but I undid a wheel several times, and these annoying axles broke, and now I have to fix it. Second, oh my god, this dumb thing is so topsy-turvy. I don't want it to face one direction and two directions at the same time, but unfortunately I can control this. So it's gonna be stuck like that. You're probably gonna see this in two directions, sideways, even though it's supposed to be orientated like this. You're probably gonna see it like this, but I cannot fix that because this phone is dumb. So now we need a regular screw, specified. I can't really. This is so annoying. How do you get these out? And what I'm doing right now is pretty simple. I'm disconnecting my shell. I'm gonna get metal axles eventually. I did not know these were gonna break so easily. Oh my god. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm just dumb. I just tried to pry where something doesn't get pried from. Because I thought that was the bloody thing. No, it isn't. And now it's all loose like it's gonna break. I hate these dumb connectors. I was disconnecting the lights on my show. And, yeah. Got confused. Shame on me. I know you're mostly gonna see a black screen, but yeah. It's annoying. I do not know what I'm doing. I think I'm doing something. That's supposed to come out. I'm not sure. It doesn't seem like it's supposed to come out. There's a screw there, though. Okay, let me just put that back in because I don't want to lose something. I don't know why I just disconnected there. It's something, I don't know. I don't know why I just unscrewed there. Second, I need to undo this. Driver a bit. So I think I have an idea how I'm supposed to do this. So we'll click on this. Oh, what this does, it does something. What? Why is my... Wait a second. Did I just undo something I don't want to undo? No, did I? So why is the spring so... it's so annoying. So basically the problem I'm having here is, I don't know how this works. That's the problem. I don't know how this works. What does this even do? I don't know what I'm doing. I unscrewed a random screw. I must find out the hard way. Okay, I'm gonna unclip this. I believe this is what needs to be unclipped. No. Or undone. I believe this is what needs to be undone. I'm not sure though. I've never repaired one of these in my life. Please don't break. Seems to unscrew. It says unscrewing. It's coming out slowly. It's almost out. Currently using pliers to undo a bolt. It's taking forever. I'll accidentally damage this bit. My dumb brain. I don't know what am I doing. I hate how I damage literally everything. I hate that. It's dumb! It's dumb how I damage everything! But I cannot just not. Earth is Earth, and Earth hates me. But don't worry. After undoing this bolt and realizing I hate damaging things, but you have to damage things to fix things. I hate having to do that, but you have to do what you have to do. This thing won't come out. I've been unscrewing for the past 9 decades. Oh, I think I'm going backwards, that's why. I keep on doing this incorrectly. Clip thing is damaged. Now, it's getting damaged because I can't undo this correctly. It's taking forever. How long is this screw? I'm about to say the screw is infinite, like. There we go. Only took 9 decades. Now I need to. There we go. Came out. I got it. I know what I'm doing, I guess. Got the new one. Insert it now. I don't know how this works. Oh, there we go, yes. Now I do. To do this. Clip into place. That's correct. Bad things happen. Wait a second, why is it not clipping? What does it not? No, you're kidding me. What? I got no thing disassembled. Oh. How do I find out? Okay, so I figured it out. Better hope this works. So, as I'm installing this, I'm thinking, why? Just why? I mean, technically the damage I dealt, that was cosmetic, doesn't affect anything, but of course, I get annoyed at things I probably shouldn't get easily annoyed about. I hate having that feature of me, but I'm only human after all, you know. And we all know that. Okay, now I'm gonna have to redo this screw, which is gonna take a year. And, yeah. Oh, wait, what? Oh, of course. Oh, I have to screw this in. Okay, got it repaired, but I have to reassemble it. I hate this. Can't do anything, ever. I hate being existent on this nightmare planet that we are currently in, only because of this day and age. Everything is fine until it's not, and now cannot solve that problem. The problem is gonna stay with you forever, and it's not a good one you want to have around. Finally got it. I better got it. I swear. I don't want to deal with this anymore. You know? I don't want to deal with this. Oh, of course it's not aligned. Why would it be? I'm gonna use my fingers to tighten this. Yes, please, no. Okay, fine. Type this accordingly. Almost got it. Almost got it. It's taking forever, you know. I mean, it's just taking forever. It's just taking a slim amount of time, you know. Time I don't have. Almost there. To be honest. It doesn't seem that bad, you know. It doesn't seem that bad. You know, once this is together, I can drive it, right? You realize this thing is going to become a nightmare eventually. I don't want to deal with that, don't I? Let's get to finishing touches. Have some good old tightening. Sure, this works accordingly. Install a wheel. Oh. Yeah.